Dancehall queen is now one of the hottest things on the dancehall scene. I go on, Talo.
With they are Sanjay, my co-worker, member, no?
First of all,
come from.
3 words to describe Talo.
Energetic, full of vibes and real.
How you got started dancing?
I started at a tender age from 16. You know, 16 is a consent where you know you can go road and them something there. Usually go road like the community party them and them little thing there. Right how we get. So we at that time we was embraced to all that.
And when you say right here again, which part you talk about specifically?
Glendevon at one place, at one part of one world. You know, I see him place TJ come from Glendevon, Rygin King come from Glendevon, Rye Minister come from Glendevon and the whole world.
So Moby hot like fire right now.
Yeah, lava.
So how I go and make so much time to come out of
Why
Moby
I
right
don't know just the blessings, you know.
You come Kingston and everybody talk about the two bad sister them, the Dancehall Queen Talib and the Dancehall Queen Danger. Why you decided to come to Kingston?
Well, Kingston is the forum where opportunities are. So in order to get your talent on other platform, you have to come to Kingston.
So you find to the career to get a boost when you start the Kingston circuit, them the street dance them and everything there?
Yeah, we get more boost, but not be ungrateful, yeah.
I know you're back in Moby. How's that going?
Well, it's going good because you know Talib response in Moby. You understand? So it'll go good.
What made you decide to actually make the transition into the artist world now?
I never really decided that. It decided me, as I could say. You know, me a born talent, me a born entertainer.
Who inspired you for do your first song?
His name is Patan, a family member of mine. So from that, it inspired me, and you know me already. Anything goes for Talib. Risk, no limits.
Which one you prefer?
Well, I prefer both because they fall under one curriculum, and that's entertainment.
Yes, so you are just an entertainer.
Yeah, born entertainer.
So you're looking for more artist stuff, more recordings?
I have about 30 songs recorded and now actually Rockin' Dolly 5 release, but Rockin' Dolly is the song that is taking a toll on the globe right now, internationally and locally. Rockin' Dolly is the hottest song.
Talk to me about Rockin' Dolly now, because Rockin' Dolly in the street dance them right now is one of the hottest songs.
The internet not tell lie, you know. Check the gram, the Facebook, everywhere you go, Rockin' Dolly, in the buses, the globe, Italy, Rome, France, Nigeria, Gambia, everywhere.
What is Rockin' Dolly about?
Rockin' Dolly is a dance created by Dolly Body and I.
Yeah.
So, as you know, dancehall known for our creativity.
Yeah.
And especially me, I'm a very creative person. So I came up with the idea of helping inspire some dancers and giving them some moves and doing the songs. So from that now, here comes Rockin' Dolly and the people them just love it. Like the kids is very clean. You know, the old, the young and the indifferent can rock to that. If you have arthritis, you can rock to it.
Man can do that dance too?
Man can rock to it as a woman dance, but you know the man have them version. You know?
Yeah.
So I don't see Shelly Belly the rock too. I don't see Shelly when the girl and a rapid burst and beat things mixed with the Rockin' Dolly and Wally Pat things.